Hello and what is up, friends? Today I'm going to be starting a new growth cycle by setting up something that I haven't used quite in a while, and that is a 4x4 tent. This one is the new Grow Tent Pro kit by Vivosun that comes with pretty much everything you're going to need to grow from start to finish. A 6-inch inline fan with carbon air filter is definitely a must when growing indoors. And another thing that I would definitely recommend would be one of these little oscillating fans for better air circulation and movement inside of the tent. Also, a way to keep track of your temperature and humidity. Now, the kit does come with the brick cocoa core, which I have used it in the past and I really did like the result. It also comes with scissors and a 4x4 trellis net. And as for the light, I'm going to be using the Vivosun Aerolite 400 watt. Now friends, I think this light is going to be a perfect application for this grow, since I'm growing different strains that I haven't grown before and I don't know how long they're going to stretch. This light is probably going to give me a little bit more wiggle room since I'm able to flex it up and down just in case some strains may grow taller than others. Now I have decided to try and keep the smell down to a minimum, therefore I'm placing the 6-inch carbon air filter inside of the tent. And now friends, if you want to unlock the full potential of this light, I definitely recommend getting the Vivosun Grow Hub. This device will control all your grow equipment and manage them in order to get a desired parameters out of your grow. And for this specific light, I'll be able to use the controller to dim it, to control the fan speed, and also the spectrum of this light. Now, I do have to finish my exhaust out of the tent, but for the most part, everything is set in motion to keeping a parameter nice and happy in this tent. I have fresh air from outdoors coming in, and at night, those temperatures could get like into the 50s, so I don't see me using this vent directly connected to the outdoors. I could probably just bring fresh air in and get this room cold enough to where this tent will be in the perfect parameters. Right now it's about 77 degrees and 37%, which is relatively good. When I bring the plants in, I expect that humidity to climb just a little bit more, bringing me to a beautiful range. And to watch my babies grow, I'll be using their Vivosun Grow Cam C4. And like I mentioned earlier, just in case I may need a little bit more humidity, I'll be using their humidifier, which should be plenty for this 4x4 space. And after setting up my exhaust, I'm gonna let it run for a couple of hours and see what kind of temperature and humidities I'm getting out of this space. I'm gonna be bringing in 5 plants, 3 different strains in 3-gallon fabric pots. And since the temperatures were all good, I'm gonna bring them in now. However, after running it for like about a day, I did notice that the night does get a little bit cooler, around 68 degrees and 54% humidity. Now my lights have just turned on a couple of minutes ago, but within a couple of hours, this tent will be somewhere around 77 degrees and 50% humidity or so. And now, friends, if you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button because you're not going to want to miss out on the plants that we're going to be putting in here. Sneak peek, there's going to be some fire strains, but you're definitely not going to want to miss out on these girls. But okay, friends, I'm not going to take any more of your time because I want you to watch the rest of my videos. So until next time, this is Grass in Class signing out. Peace.